I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcake designs. First, select a firm cupcake recipe that can support various toppings. Allow your baked cupcakes to cool completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, preventing your frosting from melting. Next, prepare your decorating station with essential tools like piping bags, various tips, and your chosen frostings and sprinkles. Achieving beautiful design starts with your frosting. Aim for a smooth, spreadable consistency, not too stiff or too runny. Practice fundamental piping techniques such as classic swirls, elegant rosettes, or simple dollops. Hold your piping bag vertically at a 90-degree angle, applying steady, even pressure to create uniform and attractive patterns on each cupcake. This consistency is key. Now let's elevate your cupcakes with delightful decorations. Edible glitter or a variety of colorful sprinkles can add a festive touch and sparkle. Consider placing fresh berries, such as a single raspberry or a few blueberries, or small candies like chocolate pearls, precisely on top. For more intricate designs, use small fondant cutouts, perhaps a tiny flower or a leaf, to create stunning, personalized treats. Finally, presentation is crucial for showcasing your beautifully designed cupcakes. Arrange them artfully on a tiered stand or a decorative platter to create an inviting display. A light dusting of powdered sugar can add a touch of elegance and a professional finish. Don't forget to choose cupcake liners or wrappers that complement your design theme, enhancing the overall aesthetic appeal of your delicious creations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.